programming tutorials, and we have started this programming tutorials new YouTube channel for the people who want to learn C# programming language. In this tutorial, in this series of tutorials, we will try to give maximum amount of knowledge about C#. These will be very basic and very easy, very you can say user friendly programs that you can use or you can write by yourself. And the best thing about these programs that you will have all the links of the source codes in the description. So let's start with our first tutorial. In this tutorial we will create a simple C# console based application for displaying hello world, which is you can say a mandatory thing. Yeah, it's not mandatory, but you can say this is how it is done. First program always hello world. How who started this, we don't know, but hello world is the first program anyone could write. So let's start with creating our new project. For creating a C# language project, we will click on new project in the Visual Studio selections. We will create Visual C# here in other languages, and we should see here the options. Windows Form applications for develop, which we will use in our further tutorials. For now we have to create a console application for hello world, printing hello world. So we will click on console application and we will name it hello underscore world. I like to give names using underscore, so this is not something spaces are not allowed, so I can give them like this, underscore world. This is the structure. You can see it is the structure of C# is very much similar to the object oriented programming classes, and we use classes. All of the work which will be done is using classes. If you have strong concepts of object oriented programming, you can access in C# very easy. You can learn it very easily. Now this is our driver function in which we are going to write the code. In C++ we used cout to print anything if we wanted to. The syntax of cout has changed, and the command for printing something on the console is now console dot. Now you can see after the dot we have various options. We will write console dot write, you can say here write, and write line. Now when we use write, the pointer stays at the same line where we have printed it, and when we use write line, it prints the message and goes to the next line. So we will use console.write line here. We can use write, both are almost same. Now in the double quotes we will write hello world. Now if we build this program and execute it, you can see a console pops up and goes back. This is due to the fact because screen is not staying at the we cannot see the console, static console, just like we used getch in C++ to stop the screen for in front of us for a time until the any key is pressed. We will use console dot read. These are built-in functions. Now console.read lines will perform the similar function which getch performs in a C# program. Now we build again, and when we debug it, we can see that hello world program is printed successfully, and this is the code. This is the basic start of C sharp tutorial, C sharp language. Practice console write line, read line. Console, let me show you the difference between console.write line and write. Now console.write, when we execute this, the pointer goes to the next line. You can see it blinking here. Now when we use console.write and build this again and execute, you can see the pointer is here. So that's the basic difference between write and a write line. So guys, that's all for the first tutorial. Stay tuned for the other tutorials, because we will move, this is very basic stuff, and we will move to very interesting stuff in our next tutorial, like taking values from the user, creating menus, and we will have 2 or 3 tutorials on console based. Then we will move to our Windows based applications, which will be very interesting to follow, and it can help you learn C# very easily. And thank you.